Welcome back to Prompt Engineering. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of prompt engineering. If you've ever wondered, what is prompt engineering, or how it can revolutionize AI and your work, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to cover the topics listed on screen. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting specific instructions, queries, or prompts that guide AI models to perform various tasks. It's like giving AI a roadmap to generate accurate, contextually relevant responses or content. So, how to use prompt engineering effectively? It's all about precision and context. Tailor your prompts to match the task at hand. For instance, when working with large language models, a well-crafted prompt can make all the difference. Let's look at some prompt engineering examples. Imagine using it for text generation. By providing the right prompt, you can generate creative stories, marketing content, or even code with just a few lines of instruction. Now, let's talk about the benefits. First, it saves time. It also enhances accuracy, as precise prompts yield more reliable results. AI powered by well-engineered prompts can automate tasks, from content creation to data analysis. Of course, there are challenges. Crafting the perfect prompt requires skill and experimentation. It can also be time-consuming, and there's always the risk of biased or inaccurate results if not done correctly. The world of prompt engineering research is ever-evolving. Researchers are constantly refining techniques and tools to make the process more accessible and efficient. Speaking of tools, there's a wide range of prompt engineering tools available, designed to help you generate effective prompts, analyze results, and fine-tune your models. We will cover this topic in detail in future. For best practices, start with clear and concise prompts. Experiment with different wording and structures. And always test your prompts to ensure they produce the desired output. Whether you're using prompt engineering for question answering, summarization, classification, or any other AI task, understanding how to craft effective prompts can unlock the full potential of your AI models. That's a wrap on our exploration of prompt engineering and its myriad applications. We hope this video has shed light on the topic and inspired you to dive deeper into this exciting field. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more prompt engineering insights right here on our channel. Thanks for watching.